On this short video I will explain you how you can use Unfold 3D in order to unwrap a model in different UDIM islands. The first part that we are seeing here is the brief modeling in ZBrush. It's just a simple model of a van. We took it, we split it as different subtools. We put a reference name on it, and we use the FBX export with the default settings to create the file that we will unwrap. We'll just put the name car on it, save it, and when exported we'll open it on Unfold 3D. The model is basically the same. We'll start the unwrap process first with the wheels. I just cut the seams as best as we can, as efficient as we can. We start unwrapping one by one, isolating, hiding, and showing all the parts. And one by one we are doing the same process for each one, trying to lay down the UVs as clear as we can. We are just fixing some things here, trying to fit the island in a really good way. And when we unwrap it all, we just choose all the parts and we make a pack translate process. This step ensures that all the islands will have the same textile density, and we start to separate each one to group it. This is the part of the car. Now we choose the component for the back door, and we create the two additional UDIM islands, and we make this pack translate, but just after we group it, because if we don't make the groups before, the pack translate option will change the size of each component on the UV. We are trying here without any success to just place all the parts inside each frame. We have to do it manually here. And the last part is for the wheels. You just group it all together, pack translate, and put a name that make a reference, a good reference for me. I just have to move this one a little bit to position it in a more suitable way. I now can save it as FBX, the same format as I imported. Hit save, and now the file is ready to use on Substance Painter. Just choose some options that I like to use to work with. This is very important. Choose the UDIM format file for the importation of our model. Here we have it. It's just a simple model, and we unwrap each part on different sets with different UDIM islands, and it's easier for us to work with the painting stage because we can choose it just by clicking on these small texture sex lists that are here identified by numbers, and